I'm going to give you 3 options on how you can cool your grow tent with 3 different portable air conditioning units that I used. This is the 3rd different unit I've tried. This particular unit I picked up at Sam's Club. You can also get it at Amazon. I'm sure you can probably find it at Lowe's and other places. This is the Midea, M-I-D-E-A. For this particular unit, I had to cut the vent part out, and it perfectly fits through the opening there. And you can just vent it on the other side. I can easily get this grow tent down to about 61 degrees. And for this particular setup, I just run it at night. It helps cool the tent for my strawberries. So this is a new little test I'm doing. The first unit I used was not a dual hose unit. This is a dual hose unit. So it has 2 hoses inside here. One for cooling the unit so it pulls air in, and another hose where it pushes the hot air out so it does not circulate the air inside, use the air inside the tent. So the dual hose unit is the kind you want. The second unit I used, I was able to run 2 hoses both out through the vent here, and that's the best option, but that particular air conditioner is being used for something else right now, so I wanted to try this one in here to see how it would do. What I do like about this particular unit, you can adjust the temperature and every timing you want it on and off, all with your phone. The one that goes through the whole vent hole here, you can't do that, but it's a lot easier to do, and I prefer the other unit. And the first unit I used was not a dual hose unit, so it would suck the air in through the side vents on the portable air conditioner, and it would shoot the heat out. The problem is the tent had to have a vent open like on the other side, because it was always pulling in new air and shooting out the hot air, and it wasn't near as efficient. So the dual hose ones can get it down to about 61 degrees. That's the max temperature pretty much any portable air conditioner can do. And the single hose one could only get it down to about 65 to 66 degrees. And even if you need to run a dehumidifier in your tent, say you need to run one at full blast, you can still easily keep temperatures with the dual hose units. Just for reference, strawberries at night, if you cool them, they'll become sweeter. So you can drop the temperature a little bit. You don't have to go crazy and run it full blast, but just help cool it a little bit. And if you want to know what exact units I have, I will be putting all that in the description of the video so you can get the proper unit. And if you have any questions, let me know. We can do some future updates if you have any additional questions. But like these particular strawberries get harvested twice a week,